A taxi woman. Hi there, ma'am.
You look so cute.
Why, thank you.
Oh my goodness. So if you need a cab right today, you want me to cab, I'll take care of you, all right?
My name's Wynonna Woodpecker.
Wynonna Woodpecker.
Yep, I'm the niece of my famous uncle Woody Woodpecker.
Hey, you are. Woody Woodpecker. What do you like to eat?
Uh-oh, Guy Diamond. I know him. That's Guy Diamond.
Woo!
Oh. Wow, he's a great dancer. Hi there, Guy Diamond.
Hey, come on over.
Hey, it's nice seeing you.
It was so nice to meet you.
See you real soon.
He does a sugar cream sauce.
You have to jump in. It's so good.
How you doing? It's been forever since we seen you.
Hey.
How you doing?
You remember me, Wynonna Woodpecker.
Of course.
Long
Always look so good.
That's right, that's right.
It's been a spell since we've seen you.
Yes.
Been a while, that's right.
I know.
That's right.
Good to see you.
Last time I think I saw you had a little the Woody Woodpecker stuff over there, right?
Willy Wonka? I don't know Willy Wonka.
Didn't you have this little stuffy and the stuffy of
Oh,
We had some SpongeBob at one point.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Oh, from the name of the cartoons and three. Oh, yeah.
Three Caballeros.
There you go. Three caballeros. There they are.
I love it. I
That's
love
right. You could say I'm the biggest fan of the Three Caballeros because they're the most handsomest man I ever loved.
Oh,
That's what it is.
man. Well, thank you for brightening up the neighborhood.
Thank you.
Right.
You have so much fun over there.
Right. Have a good day, you two. See ya.
Oh. The kids are good.
Agile of all of our raptors.
Well, here I am. Jurassic Park area. This is where I'm going to enter Super Nintendo World. And the good thing I got, my power-up band. I can't wait to play this new game. The land of games to play with. Excuse me. Coming through. Oh, hi Optimus Prime. Hi Bumblebee. Long time no see to them.
Yes, that is a possible form of defense. Look at me. I can smile at you.
Existing time entry. Good thing I reserved my virtual line, so I'm gonna get in. Come on, let's go. Okay, here I go. Good thing I got virtual queue. Now, give me a minute, then I could go in after the scan. Come on. Wow, it's so amazing and big. Well, what do you know? The green tunnel, a teleportation tunnels, or pipes. I think they look like pipes. Come on, let's get in for photo shoot fun, or posing time. Come on. Okay, everybody, here we go. Looks like I'm gonna have some fun. Going down. Now, let's get into that tunnel. Wow, everything's colorful. Wow, never been in some rainbow lightning tunnel. So amazing. Sorry, excuse me. Wow, look at this amazing display. And goggles. And Princess Peach, Bowser Jr., Mario, Luigi, and there's some bombs. Wow! Bye, oh bye! Now this is my first time in here. Whoa! Wow! Dang, a lot of people loves games. Now I understand why my dad says that everybody loves games. Say, isn't that the one where Princess Peach? What time I should meet her? 12 o'clock p.m. By now, according to my watch and my phone, it's 11:13, so 47 minutes and I'm gonna get to meet Princess Peach. But first I'm gonna find Mario and Luigi. I wonder how they're doing. Excuse me, coming through. Sorry. Now where can I meet Mario and Luigi?
Well, I think that's just where you like.
Wow! Whoa! Oh! Look how big it is! Ooh! Big! And mushroom seat! Wait, where can I meet Mario? Oh, Mario and Luigi would be there at 11:30. I gotta find the line. Come on, let's get in there so we can meet Mario and Luigi. Come on. I remember playing that video game when I was a little girl, and now here I am. Come on, let's go find a line. Excuse me, coming, Joe. Sorry. I'm just looking for the end of the line.